Welcome back to the Treehouse Classroom. I'm Allison, and in today's episode, we invite you to join us in our garden. Just like the rest of you, we're still under the COVID-19 quarantine. At a time when it's really difficult to get into a grocery store, it just might come in handy to be able to walk out into your backyard this summer and pick your own lettuce. And what better education to give our kids than to teach them about growing their own food. A lot of time and work goes into just the idea of a garden, and the boys have been working on this with their dad for months and months. This really puts into perspective the idea of planning. Planning is a really great life skill, and the boys are learning it with a living idea right out here in the garden. We're letting you inside the greenhouse now. This is simply Lucas's little project. He loves green and growing things. His dad loves to grow things. So most of what we have here has come from seeds that Victor and the boys have collected over time, and others have come from Walmart.
Yes, so we got the greenhouse from Walmart. But one of the things that Lucas and I worked together was on making the shelves after Allison and I put the greenhouse together. We got these pallets from work, and so Lucas and I cut them up. We used a skill saw, used a tape measure, of course a square. So I got them all involved and we put it all together. This is mainly his little project, you know, it's not anything huge and we're not expert gardeners, but it makes it fun for us to be able to see Lucas come in here and water his plants and just get excited about it. So we've been working out there trying to get the soil ready, which has been a hard time because we haven't really gardened there for actually ever. So we've been trying to get a lot of roots out, and Allison, Alexander, and Lucas, the four of us have been working on it for a while. So this has been months in the planning. And we got all kinds of different seeds here that the boys, anything from vegetables to flowers. So we even have a few sago palms here that we dug out from the yard.
So Victor mentioned that they used a lot of measuring tools, and that's been really great because Lucas and Alexander have both been working on a lot of measuring skills in math. So being able to put those skills into practice and see how they really work in real life, applying them to things that they need to do, need to build, was really, really exciting for them. So Victor showing them how to use the tools like the T-square and the measuring tape and things like that just brought those ideas to life for them. See how our farmers are doing. So Lucas and Victor have been working really hard on getting the greenhouse going. What are you planting?
Corn.
Corn?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I am planting moringa.
Moringa.
It's supposed to be a
You
plant to make
saved the
tea.
seeds. Let's see what the moringa seeds look like.
Now we had to buy these.
Okay.
This is what they look like.
Our family has been working on a garden for quite some time now, and finally, it's time to see some fruits of our labors. From the greenhouse to the garden and finally to our table. The garden has taught us so much. Not only our children, but me and my husband as well have learned a lot from the garden. Everything from economics to preparing ahead of time to being grateful for what we put our labor into. The garden has some really great life lessons. If you haven't started one already, go ahead. Pick a patch of earth, turn it up, and plant some seeds. Your kids will get a lot of satisfaction out of growing something from their own labor, using their hands in the dirt. What kids don't like to get dirty? So why not let them learn while they're doing it? We definitely have found some truth, beauty, and goodness in our garden, And probably chief among those lessons have been simply the lessons of learning how to work hard and get a good return on your labor. Thanks for checking out our Treehouse Classroom today. We hope you liked today's episode. Please hit the like button if you did, subscribe, and we'll see you back next time.